Whether you ride for the sense of freedom, a connection to the outdoors, or even for the adrenaline rush, the zūmo XT3 motorcycle navigators are made to enhance every corner, chicane, and straightaway from the road to the track. Packed with features that cater to all types of riders, these rugged zūmo navigators come with either a 4.7-inch or 6-inch bright touchscreen display. Not only are they glove-friendly, but they're purpose-built to withstand extreme weather and handlebar vibration, so they can handle the conditions that nature and the open roads throw at them. Knowing your lean angles while riding is crucial for performance, helping with balance, traction, and efficiency. With the live lean angles gauge on the zūmo XT3, riders will be able to see how far they lean over during each turn as they ride. When your ride is over, you can view and share your lean angle, G-force data, max speed, and more in your ride summary using the Garmin Tread app. With the zūmo XT3, you can ride confidently with preloaded detailed street maps to help you find your way. You'll also have access to popular moto paths ridden by other riders to find new and exciting routes to explore. Download high-resolution satellite imagery directly to your zūmo XT3, and you'll have vivid overhead views of your route and surrounding terrain to help you navigate. And with an active Outdoor Maps Plus plan, you'll have access to a variety of premium mapping content, including adventure road and trails for turn-by-turn trail routing when you adventure off-road. But if you just enjoy the freedom to explore, the free ride feature provides simple compass navigation, showing an arrow with distance and direction to your destination. Let's be honest, straight roads are boring. With Garmin Adventurous routing, you can find the most thrilling routes with hills, curves, and sights, and choose from 4 levels of difficulty. This not only challenges you to master your balance and momentum, but allows you to transform a simple ride into an interactive sport. If you're someone that likes to blaze your own trail, the Visual Route Planner lets you plan a custom route directly on your zūmo XT3, or you can use the Garmin Tread app with your compatible smartphone. Custom routing features such as curves, hills, or scenic byways can help you create your perfect ride. For an even better riding experience, you can also use the Garmin Tread app for group tracking, allowing you to track fellow riders with the Group Ride Mobile feature. And to stay in touch with what lies ahead and Mother Nature, you can access real-time traffic and weather, as well as share routes with other riders and get phone notifications. The zūmo XT3 isn't just for the road. For all those track days, a Garmin Performance Package plan provides details and specs of your session to help you improve your skills. The drag race timer records your 0 to 60 mph time and your 1/8 mile and quarter-mile times. Lap Time Review lets you see your lap times, race metrics, delta times, and lean angles through each turn and more. When riding, knowing your surroundings is key, both for riders and other drivers. By pairing the zūmo XT3 with your zūmo R1 radar system, you'll have spatial awareness with rear view and blind spot monitoring. The external lights of the R1 radar can increase your visibility to others on the road, and the system can show surrounding vehicles right on your zūmo XT3 display. As a motorcycle rider, you want to be in full control. When paired with our handlebar controller, you'll be able to easily operate your zūmo XT3 through curves and tough terrain. The simple-to-use buttons at your fingertips give you easy and more convenient control over your map, while allowing you to keep your hands on the grips while riding. Whether you seek adventure from the open roads to the track, let the zūmo XT3 motorcycle navigators be the life of your ride. For more information on this and other products, be sure to head on over to Garmin.com.